शूट डेज आर वेरी हेक्टिक, बट पता है उससे भी ज्यादा हेक्टिक क्या है? स्किन केयर आफ्टर द शूट। जो भी लुक था उसे नॉर्मल करना है सबसे बड़ा काम, एंड फॉर दैट आई यूज गार्नियर माइसेलर क्लेंजिंग वाटर। अब micellar water होता क्या है? It removes dirt, impurities and harmful elements that enters your skin. The micelles present in the micellar water acts like magnetic agents that swipes away dirt in just one swipe. And the best part is it is gentle on the skin, suits all skin types and free of sulphates and parabens. Unlike traditional cleansers, micellar water contains hydrating ingredients like glycerin, which helps to moisturize and soften the skin. It effectively removes dirt, oil and makeup without stripping the skin of its natural oil. Overall, micellar water contains a gentle yet effective way to cleanse and refresh the skin without causing irritation or dryness. Let me take you through my skincare routine. First step to skincare is micellar water. Next is the face wash, which is extremely essential to wash away the dullness. Then comes the moisturizer for the necessary hydration. Then comes the sunscreen for UV protection. Micellar water दूसरे cleansers की तरह harsh नहीं होता, because that can leave your skin tight and dry because of loss of oil, and it creates a base for other products to penetrate better. So let me tell you 3 magic words to use this product. Pour, press, and swipe. And if you are looking for variety, then Garnier has you covered. Garnier Pink Micellar, Garnier Oil Infused Micellar, and Garnier Vitamin C Micellar. The Pink Micellar water is for everyday cleansing. The oil infused one is for heavy waterproof makeup. Vitamin C Micellar water is for cleansing and brightening dull skin. So many variants and benefits make micellar a kick-ass cleansing water. If you want to check it out, link in the description below.